Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good coconut cream pie. Very easy to make, very delicious, simple, and just follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. What you want to do is, you'd want to put some kind of like parchment paper with some beans or any kind of stuff to hold it down with, but I don't have that, so I'm going to put some holes into this. We're gonna roast these coconut. We're not gonna use all of this to roast because we're gonna save some of this for the filling. We'll show that part in a minute. That'd be enough for that. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven along with the pie shell. Come back in a moment. We're going to take 2 boxes of Jello vanilla instant pudding. Followed by 2 cups of milk. We're going to have another 2 cups because we've got Then we're going to take some coconut. Don't pay attention to that noise, just the stove. Come back in a moment. Okay, we're going to turn this on. Let's make it so we can see a little better. Okay. Come back in a few moments. Here we go. Now we're going to let this set in the cool. Let it be cool. Where did my pie here? We're going to zoom in on this. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Look at that pie. Look at the delicious pie that is. That is delicious. Look at the coconut on this side of it and stuff. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you had fun watching me make this. It's simple to make, very easy, and it is delicious. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And if y'all like my channel, do hit that subscribe button and don't hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. Y'all have a wonderful day.